Yes, sir.
Okay, let's start. Stacy is a singer. We have to start from.
මංගාවට යුද්ධ එක නෑනේ.
කාගාවද මේක නැත්තේ?
අනුලිගාව.
අයියෝ පුතේ ඒක නම් මට දැන් කරන්න බෑ.
සයිට් පොඩ්ඩක් මුල පිටුව පෙන්නන්න.
ජූනි මාසේ ටියුට් මොකද කරන්නේ?
ජුනි ටියුට් ටික පුතේ අපි ජුනි 14 ජූන් 14 වලින් පස්සේ වෙලා ගන්නත් පුළුවන්. එහෙම නැත්නම් මට කෝල් එකක් දෙන්න මම තියෙන ඔප්ෂන්ස් ටික කියන්නම්. After the class, these are due today. Okay, let's see. Stacy is a singer. Stacy කියන්නේ ගායිකාවක්. Stacy කියන්නේ ගායිකාවක්. She loves to sing. ඇයි ඉතාමත් ආසයි සින්දු කියන්න. She loves to sing. ඇයි ඉතාමත් ආසයි සින්දු කියන්න. She is in a band. ඇයි ඉන්නවා බෑන්ඩ් එක. She is in a band. She sings in the band කියන අය සින්දු කියනවා බෑන්ඩ් එකේ. ඇය සින්දු කියනවා බෑන්ඩ් එකේ.
සර් කියන එක හෙන්නේ නෑනේ.
මම කිව්වේ නෑ පිටි බහින්න එපා. හරි දැන් කියනවා. She sings in the band කියන්නේ සින්දු කියනවා බෑන්ඩ් එක. She is the lead singer. ඇය තමයි ප්‍රධාන ගායිකාව. ඇය තමයි ප්‍රධාන ගායිකාව. Sometimes she plays the piano. සමහර වෙලාවල් වලට ඇය සෙල්ලම් කරනවා පියානෝව. සමහර වෙලාවලට ඇය සෙල්ලම් කරනවා පියානෝව.
සර් ඇය වාදනය වාදනය කරනවා වෙන වෙයිද?
කවන්නේ ප්‍රශ්න නැහැ. That's okay too. No issues. Chad is Stacy's friend. Chad කියන්නේ ස්ටැසිගේ යාළුවා. Chad is Stacy's friend. Chad කියන්නේ ස්ටැසිගේ යාළුවා. Now we are here. මෙතන ඉන්නේ දැන් join වෙච්ච කට්ටිය. He is also in the band. ඔහුත් ඉන්නවා බෑන්ඩ් එකේ. He is also in the band. ඔහුත් ඉන්නවා බෑන්ඩ් එකේ. He stands next to Stacy. ඔහු ඉන්නේ ස්ටැසි ගාව. He plays the electric guitar. ඔහු වාදනය කරනවා විදුලි ගිටාර් එක. කියන්නේ ඉලෙක්ට්‍රික් ගිටාර් කියලාම තමයි අපි නම් සිංහලෙන් කියන්නේ. විදුලි ගිටාරය වෙන්නේ නැතිනේ ඒකට ඉන්නේ සිංහලෙන්. ඔහු වාදනය කරනවා ඉලෙක්ට්‍රික් ගිටාර් එක. නැත්නම් විදුලි ගිටාරය. Sometimes Chad sings with Stacy. සමහර අවස්ථාවල Chad සින්දු කියනවා Stacy සමග. සමහර අවස්ථාවල Chad සින්දු කියනවා Stacy සමග. Dean is Chad and Stacy's friend. Dean කියන්නේ Chadගේ සහ Stacyගේ යාළුවා. Dean කියන්නේ Chadගේ සහ Stacyගේ යාළුවා. He plays the bass guitar. ඔහු වාදනය කරනවා bass guitar එක. ඔහු වාදනය කරනවා bass guitar එක. Dean does not sing. Dean සින්දු කියන්නේ නැහැ. He does not like to sing. ඔහු සින්දු කියන්න කැමති නෑ. ඔහු සින්දු කියන්න කැමති නෑ. He does not like to sing. The band practices 3 times a week. මේ බෑන්ඩ් එක සංගීත කණ්ඩායම 3 times a week. සතියට 3 පාරක් පුහුණු වෙනවා. Practices. සතියට 3 පාරක් පුහුණු වෙනවා. සතියට 3 පාරක් පුහුණු වෙනවා. සතියට 3 පාරක් පුහුණු වෙනවා. They mostly perform at night clubs. ඔවුන් බොහෝ දුරට රාත්‍රී සමාජ ශාලාවල සින්දු කියනවා.
සර් එතන තියෙන්නේ වෙඩින්ස් කියලා නේද?
ඔව් they sometimes they sing at weddings. ඔවුන් සමහරට wedding වල සින්දු කියනවා. මම ඒක සමහර ඒවා අයින් කරලා තියෙනවා YouTube වල. ඔවුන් සමහරට weddings වල නැත්නම් weddings වලට සිංගල් වචනයක් නම් වැඩක් නැහැ නේ. ඔවුන් සමහරට weddings වල සින්දු කියනවා.
සර් ඒකට සර් උත්සව වල කියලා දාන්න.
ඔව්. හොඳයි. They are a very good band. ඔවුන් ඉතාමත් හොඳ වාද්‍ය කණ්ඩායමක් නැත්නම් සංගීත කණ්ඩායමක්. ඔවුන් ඉතාමත් හොඳ සංගීත කණ්ඩායමක්. ඔවුන් ඉතාමත් හොඳ සංගීත කණ්ඩායමක්. පුතේ මේට earlier එක අපි කරේ නැද්ද? මේට කලින් කරේ නැද්ද මේ? I have a reservation එක. This one haven't we done it?
වෙලා නේද සර්?
Yeah, you are coming to all classes now, so probably we have done in the other class in not in this. මේක කලින් නැද්ද දන්නේ නැහැ. මටත් එකනේ මම ක්ලාස් 3ක් කරනවනේ මට ඒකින්ද exactly මතක නැහැ.
ඔව් සර් ඒක කළේ නෑ තමයි.
ඒකත් මම කියලා ඉන්නම්. I have a reservation මට තිබෙනවා. sorry පුතේ yes පුතේ yes මම කියලා ඉන්නම්. I have a reservation මට තිබෙනවා වෙන් කිරීමක්. I have a reservation. මට යනවා වෙන් කරගෙන. මට තිබෙනවා වෙන් කර ගැනීම. My name is John Sandals. මගේ නම John Sandals. May I see your ID please? මට පුළුවන් ද ඔබේ හැඳුනුම් පොත බලන්න කරුණා කළා. මට පුළුවන් ද ඔබේ හැඳුනුම් පත ID identity card එක බලන්න කරුණා කළා. Mr. Sandals මහත්මයා මට පුළුවන් ද ඔබේ හැඳුනුම් පත බලන්න කරුණා කරලා. Certainly, here it is. නියත වශයෙන්ම මෙන්න ඒක. Certainly, here it is. නියත වශයෙන්ම මෙන්න ඒක. Certainly, here it is. නියත වශයෙන්ම මෙන්න ඒක. Thank you ස්තුතියි ඔබට. Thank you ස්තුතියි ඔබට. Certainly නියත වශයෙන්ම here it is මෙන්න ඒක. Thank you ස්තුතියි ඔබට. Thank you ස්තුතියි ඔබට. Do you have a credit card? Thank you ස්තුතියි ඔබට. Do you have a credit card? ඔබ ගාව credit card එකක් තියෙනවද? Mr. Sandals මහත්මයා. Yes I do. ඔව් මට තිබෙනවා. Yes I do. ඔව් මට තිබෙනවා. Do you accept American Express? ඔබ American Express card පිළිගන්නවාද? උදේ credit card එකට සිංහලෙන් ගන්න මං හිතන්නේ හරපතද බැරපතද මොකක්ද එකක්. මම පුතේ ඇත්තටම පාඩම් කරන්නේ නැහැ. මම debit card තමයි බැරපත, credit card කියන්නේ හරපත. ඔන්නම සිංහලෙන් නිකන් අමුතුව වර්තයක් තියෙන මොලෙත් අවුල් වෙන ගැහුවම
ඉතින් සර් ක්‍රෙඩිට් කාඩ් කියලා මේ සම්පූර්ණ මේක සිංහල පන්තියක් නෙවෙයි.
ඔව් ඒක දැන් මමත් මේ ඒක දෙන්නේ නැත්තේ. නමුත් අවශ්‍යම නම් ওই දෙකෙන් එකක් බැරපත අනිත් එක හරපත ඔන්නම තියෙන පුතේ. අද debit card එක ණයපත නැත්තම් බැරපතද මොකක්ද ඒක? ණයපතද කොහෙද? credit card කියලා කියන එක නෝ මොකක්ද තියෙනවා සිංහලෙන්. ඒක සල්ලෝන වෙනස කියලා දෙන්නම්. debit card එකකට පුළුවන් අපිට ඒකේ තියෙන ගානට විතරයි. පොතේ තියෙන සල්ලි වලට විතරයි බඩු ගන්න. debit card කියලා නම තිබ්බට ගොඩක් වෙලාට ලංකාවේ credit card එකට අපිට වැඩිපුර ගානකට සල්ලි වලට ගන්න පුළුවන් බඩු. කියන්නේ පොතේ නැතත් මාස 3කින් වගේ ගෙවන්න ගන්න පුළුවන්.
එතකොට සර් මේ ඩෙබිට් කාඩ් එකේ අපිට දැන් 50000ක් තියෙනවා නම් 50000ට විතරයි බඩු ගන්න පුළුවන්.
ඔව් පුතේ.
ඒක ක්‍රෙඩිට් කාඩ් එකේ 50000ක් තියෙනවා නම් අපි 60000ක බඩුවක් ගන්නවා නම් ඉතුරු 10000 මෙච්චර කාලයක් ඇතුළත ගෙවන්න ඕනි කියලා තව 10000ක් බඩු මේ හම්බෙනවා.
ඔව් පොලියකුත් ඇතුව. මට ගුවනිවල තියෙන ණයවරපත කියලා. ණයවරපත හරි එහෙමත් ගන්න පුළුවන්. ක්‍රෙඩිට් කාඩ් ණයවරපත. ඔව් ණයනේ හම්බෙන්නේ එකකින් එකක් හරි. පොලියකුත් එක්ක පුතේ නිකන් දෙන්නේ නැහැ. පොලියත් අපෙන් ගන්නවා.
පොලිය කිව්වේ සර් මේ සතියකට මෙච්චරක් වැඩි වෙනවා එහෙමනේ.
ඔව් සතියේ නෙමෙයි ඒවා ගන්නේ මම හිතන්නේ අවුරුද්දක පොලිය එකපාර ගන්නවා. මාස 3ට ගන්නවා. sorry sir සමාව වෙන්න sir. just visa or mastercard. visa හෝ mastercard පමණයි. visa හෝ mastercard පමණයි. here is my visa card. මෙන්න තියෙනවා මගේ visa card එක.
මොකක්ද වීසා කාඩ් මාස්ටර් කාඩ් එන කාඩ් ගොඩක් තියෙනවනේ එහෙම බැලුවොත්.
ඔබ පුතේ debit card තියෙනවා, visa card තියෙනවා, master card තියෙනවා, card වර්ග ලෝකෙ නැති જાති ටිකක් තියෙනවා. හරිද?
එස ඔක්කොම අයිති වෙන්නේ ඒක මේ දේවල් දෙකකට ක්‍රෙඩිට් කාඩ් ඩෙබිට් කාඩ්.
මෙහෙමයි. දැන් ඔය ඕවැ තව තියෙනවනේ පුතේ visa card, master card කියන්නේ card company වර්ගත් වෙනස් වෙනවානේ. visa කියන්නේ එක කම්පැනියක්, master කියන්නේ තව එක වර්ගයක්. companies තියෙනවනේ ඒවා. ඒ card එක අපි ලංකාවේ බැංකුවකින් දුන්නාට ලෝකේ company එක තියෙන card එකක් ඕක අපිට දෙන්නේ ඒගොල්ලෝ. company එකක සම්බන්ධ වෙලා. ඔය හැමදේම තියෙනවා වෙනම ක්‍රමයක් හැදිලා. okay. okay කියන්නේ හරිය කියන එක තමයි here's my visa card. මේ මගේ visa card එක. මෙන්න ගන්න මගේ visa card එක. okay කියන්නේ okay තමයි. you are in room 507 නැත්නම් 507. ඔයාගේ කාමරය 507 නැත්නම් ඔයා ඉන්නේ 507 කාමරේ. ඔයා ඉන්නේ 507 කාමරේ. Here is your key. මෙන්න ගන්න වගේ අතුර. Sir, if you need, here is your key. මෙන්න ගන්න වගේ අතුර. Sir, if you need ඔබට අවශ්‍ය නම්, anything ඕනම දෙයක්, just dial 0 on your room phone. Here is your key, sir. මෙන්න ගන්න වගේ අතුර, sir. If you need anything ඔබට අවශ්‍ය නම් ඕනම දෙයක්, just dial 0 on your room phone. ඔයාගේ කාමරයේ දුරකථනයෙන් බිඳුව අමතන්න.
මාර ෆෝන් නම්බර් එකක් නේද සර්?
Sir,
ඔබ දෙක කියන්න. මට වා කිව්වක පොඩක් ඇහුනේ නෑ. තිම්ල. හරි. just dial 0 on your room phone කියන්නේ ඔයාගේ දුරකථනයේ කාමර දුරකථනයේ බිඳුව මතන්න.
බින්දුව ගැන ෆෝන් නම්බර් ගත්ත
දැන් මෙහෙමනේ පුතේ අපේ ෆෝන් නම්බර් එකක් නොවුනට තමන්ගේ අන්න හරි තමන්ගේ ආයතනය තුල නෙට්වර්ක් හැදුවම බිඳුව එක තමයි දාන්න වෙන්නේ. නැත්නම් වෙන නම්බරයක් වෙනම ගන්න බෑනේ අපිට.
ඇයිද
අපි හිතමුකෝ දැන් ඔයා ගෙදර පිටින් කනෙක්ෂන් එකක් නොගෙන ටෙලිෆෝන් කනෙක්ෂන් එකක් ගෙදරම උඩ තට්ටුවට යට තට්ටුවට තැන් තැන් වලට ෆෝන් ටිකක් දාලා ඒකේ කනෙක්ෂන් එකක් ඔයා හදා ගන්නවා ගෙදර නෙට්වර්ක් එකක්. ඒතර ගෙදර නම්බර ඔයාට 0 1 2 3 ගාලා දාගන්න වෙනවා. ඔයාට කැමති හදා ගන්න පුළුවන්. ඉතින් ඒවට හදලා සිස්ටම් තියෙනවනේ ඒවට. ගෙදර මෙහා මෙයාට තමන්ගේ ආයතනේ මෙහා මෙයාට වැඩ කතා කරන ඒවා. තේරෙනව නේද? පිටේ
ලේසියට අර ලොකුදු ආගේ නම්
oh okay then we are moving to reading. Then reading වලට එනවා. අද we can start it earlier so earlier. මම name list එක දාගෙන යනවා.
සර් අද පොඩ්ඩයිනි කරේ.
ඉතින් ටියුට් එක ඉවරයිනේ. තව මොනවද දැන් කරන්නේ?
අලුතෙන් ටියුට් හම්බුන්නේ නැහැ තාම
අලුත් ටියුට් ඉෂුව කරේ නෑ පුතේ. මොකද 14 වෙනකන් country එක under lockdown. ඒ කියලා කියන්නේ lockdown කියන්නේ ඉතින් මට එතකොට 14 වලට කලින් ටියුට් එක ඕගලන්ට දෙන්න ක්‍රමයක් නැහැ. අපි බලමු.
එළියට මේ අඩියක්වත් තියන්න හිතන්න බෑ
ඔව්. ඒකයි.
එතකොට සර් ඊළඟ සතියේ කරන්නේ.
බලමුකෝ මොකක් කර මම plan එකක් හදනවා. මම මේක නිකන් හිටියා පොඩ්ඩක් plan එක හදාගන්න. ඊතුරු class ඔක්කොම එකම plan එකක් හදලා බලමුකෝ. Anyway, okay. First chance goes to Adish. පුතේ වෙනියා ඔයගොල්ලෝ අහලා ගොඩාක් අය message දෙනවා. ඒ ඔක්කොම reply දැම්මොත් මට වැඩක් කරන්න හම්බෙන්නේ නැති නිසා මම list එක දානවා. list එකෙන් බලපු රත් හොඳ ළමයි වගේ. අනිත් තරහ වෙන්න එපා. නැත්නම් ගොඩාක් අය message කරන එකයි.
අද එහෙම දැම්මට පාඩුවක් වෙන එක උන් දැන් මොකද වැඩි උගන්නන්නේ නැහැ නේද
Oh, okay, sure. Okay. Adish, you can start.
My ambition is to become a doctor. A doctor is a person who makes people feel better. It is hard to become a doctor as you have to work very hard and pass difficult examinations. Doctors were very in hospital every day. They see many sick people. They prescribe medicine to help people recover from their sicknesses and work very hard. My father and mother are both doctors. I think doctor's profession is one of the best professions. Thank you.
Okay, next chance goes to Irushi.
A choice of hotels. Heatland International Hotel on the edge of the city, overlooking the cricket ground and Fitzroy Gardens. This loud hotel has 42 3-air Continental rooms, colors TV, several restaurants and bars, coffee shop, disco, sound gym and pedal pool. Hotel Windsor. This Eden Hotel, situated downtown next to Parliament House, has 190 air conditioned rooms, colors TV, grand dining rooms with French cuisine girl room, cocktail bar, afternoon tea service, included sightseeing. Melbourne City Tour of Incloud, Fitzroy Gardens, Captain Cook's Cottage Arts Centre and Fairmont House and the Dandering Mountain Range. Optional sightseeing. Many other tours are available which may easily be looked after arrival. These include a visit to the 9th century gold mining centers and a full day tour up into the mountains. Finished.
Okay, Buta. Very good. Next chance goes to Luthira.
Okay, sir. Thanks. Good evening, everyone. Today I am going to tell a story. The Little Red Hen. Once there lived a little red hen. She lived with her chickens. She lived in farm. There were also the goose and duck in the farm. One day she found a grain of wheat. I am going to plant the wheat. Who will help me? She asked. Not I. I am busy, said the goose. Not I am busy, said the duck. I will plant then, said the little red hen, and she planted the grain of wheat. She watered it and it grew well. Later she got a good harvest of wheat. I am taking the wheat to the mill. Who will help me? She asked. Not I. I am busy, said the goose. Not I am busy, said the duck. I will take it myself then, said the little red hen, and she took the wheat to the mill. Then she brought the flour. I am going to make some bread. Who will help me? She asked. Not I. I am busy, said the goose. Not I. I am busy, said the duck. I will make it myself then, said the little red hen. So she baked the bread. She was sweet, smelly. I am going to eat the bread. Who will help me to the eat of the bread? She asked. I will, said the goose. I will, said the duck. Thanks, sir. My story is finished.
Okay, Shobhuda, you can start. Minudi ke name එක දාලා තිබ්බා මම ඒක type කළා නෑ. Minudi. තප්පරයක් දෙන්න හොයාගන්න. Okay, next chance goes to Hansini Bhagya.
Stacy is a singer. She loves to sing. She is in a band. She sings in the band. She is the lead band singer. Some things she plays the piano. Chad is Stacy's friend. He is also in the band. He stands next to Stacy. He plays the electric guitar. Sometimes Chad sings with Stacy. Dean is Chad and Stacy is friends. He is also in the band. He stands next to Stacy. He plays bass guitar. Dean does not sing. He doesn't not like to sing. The band practices 3 times a week. They mostly perform at sometimes they sing at weddings. They are a very good band.
Adbhuta, very good. Next chance goes to Kinula. You can start with Uday. Does they others? If your name is not in the list, ඔගොල්ලෝ කාගේ නම නැත්තම් මට අකල message එකක් එවන්න. Okay, Tinlu, you can start with
Okay, sir. A day at the circus. I went to a famous Chinese circus with my family. It was very interesting. There were 3 monkeys dressed in pink coats and blue trousers. They rode on grey horses and waved tiny red hats. Growling tigers jumped through flaming hoops. Clowns with painted faces and big red noses did a lot of funny things. A beautiful girl in a bright blue dress worked on the tightrope. A juggler threw many colorful balls in the air and cocked them. Hug elephants sat on tiny stools It was a wonderful circus. Finish, sir. Thank you. Sir. Sir.
Okay, Puda, very good. Next chance goes to Lithum.
Okay, sir. It is a fine Saturday afternoon. The sun is shining brightly. Nipun and his friend Vignesh, Situli, Rishvi and Amanda are in the park with their families. Rishvi is climbing up a rope ladder. His little brother Nias is riding a pony. This is his first pony ride. His father is walking beside him. Nias is smiling happily. Nipun and Vignesh are playing cricket. Vignesh is batting and Nipun is bowling. Amanda is sliding down a slide. Her twin sisters Sharon and Rebecca are playing on a seesaw. Chitoli is feeding the fish in the pond. Their mothers are sitting on the grass, watching them at play. An ice cream seller is standing by the gate. Two children are running to buy some ice cream. Thank you, sir.
Okay, උදාහරණයක් පුතේ there's a small issue පොඩි ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවා. අද කාංචන මිස් නැහැම තනියෙන් ක්ලාස් එක කරන්න. ඉතින් සමහර අයගේ names පුතේ මම ලියලා තියෙනවා ක්ලාස් එක කරන ගමන් add කරලා නැහැ list එකට. මම ඒක බල බල දැන් මේ හදනවා. හොඳේ. For example ඕගොල්ලන්ට ඕනම් බලන්න පුළුවන් my reading book එකක් තියෙනවා. ඔයගොල්ලෝ දන්නවනේ names දාන. ඔයගොල්ලෝ ක්ලාස් එක අපිට බලන්න 14 netme 14 ඉන්නේ. නමුත් මම netme ගේ name එක ලියලා නැහැ. ඒ වගේ සමහර අයගේ මේ type කරලා නැහැ. ලියලා තියෙන type කරලා නැහැ. හොඳේ. මම සමහර අයගේ names මේ list එකට ලියති දාලා I have added but I haven't typed. මම type කරලා නැහැ. මම ඒවා තැන් දෙක තුනක් හැදුවා අනික් කට්ටිය මාව වැරදි හිතන්න එපා. ඕන්න ඔයගොල්ලෝ මට personally කිව්වොත් මම image එකක් ගහලා එවන්න. ඔයගලන්ට මාව check කරගන්න ඕන නම් මම කියන තැනද කියලා. usually I don't like. මම සාමාන්‍ය බුක් කියන්නේ කියලා දන්නවනේ. හරි. හරි. මම ටික දැන් මේ ටක් ගහලා හදනවා. Okay. Lithum next chance is yours. Lithum finish no? Okay. Lithum finish no? Okay, next chance goes to Yanuki.
My favorite place. One of my favorite places to relax is my room. When I am in my room, I feel much relaxed. I read books and letters, listen to music or sleep. My house has 3 rooms. My room has a big bed, a cupboard, a study table, and chair. It is simple but very comfortable. I love to read letters from my friends in my room. Sometimes their letters are very funny and I laugh to myself. I also love to read books. I have some books, both English and Sinhala. When I have free time after completing my homework, I read my books. When I read, I am often transported into another world, a world fantastic. I like to do all this in my room because to me it is the most relaxing place in the whole house. It is my little kingdom.
Okay, very good. Next chance පුතේ පොඩි දෙයක් තියෙනවා. මේ කවිනිට ක්ලාස් එකක් තියෙනවා 7. ලීව් වෙන්න කලින් මම පොඩි chance එකක් දෙන්නද? කම නැහැ නේ ඊළඟ ඉන්න කෙනාට. කවුද ඉන්නේ ඊළඟට? මනුලි. It's okay පුතා. මනුලි කම නැද්ද?
කමක් නැහැ sir.
Okay පුතා, Kavan you can start.
A big lion lived in a jungle. He killed a number of animals and ate them. The animals of the jungle were very sad. One day they met together and went to the lion. The oldest of them said to the lion, "Sir, you are our king. We are your subjects. Be kind to us. Please do not kill more than one animal a day. One of us will come to you every day." The lion was pleased. He said, "Very well. Send one good fat animal to me every day." Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Ruhansa is also speaking or not? Ruhansa?
Yes, sir.
Okay, start then quickly.
Almost everyone dreams of something while growing up. We all have ambitions when we are little, which change as we grow up. Ambitions lead us to a different aim in life. Furthermore, they help us focus on our goal no matter the cost. It drives us to do better in life. Ambition differ from one person to another. However, one common thing usually found is that over time people switch their ambition to something else than that which they wish to be when little. We have many people in the medical field who wanted to be dancers. Similarly, some of the preferred politicians want to be artists. So we see how easily one gives up on their dreams and ambition to adapt to society. Thank you, sir.
Anvita, welcome. And next chance goes to Manu Lee. Sudha?
Lakshman Kadrigrama was a Sri Lankan diplomat, politician, and a lawyer. He was born on the 12th of April 1932 in Colombo. He studied at Trinity College, Cambridge. April 1932 at Trinity College and Sir, very sorry, sir.
Okay,
මම අයින් මතක් කියනද?
okay, Vida. Okay, start. Hurry up.
Lakshman Kadragrama was a Sri Lankan diplomat, politician, and a lawyer. He was born on the 12th of April 1932 in Colombo. He studied at Trinity College, Kandy, University of Ceylon, and at Balliol College, Kandy. He served as the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Sri Lanka from 1994 to 2004. He was a great son of the soil. We respect him for his good work. Thank you.
Okay, Vida. Very good. Next chance goes to Metuki. Metuki, you can start with that.
Let us save time. The best day to accomplish something is the day before tomorrow. This saying teaches us the value of time. The present world is a fast running one.
Anyone who fails to keep with the speed becomes a loser. Therefore, in order to achieve our goals in this complex and fast society, we must know how to get the best use of our time. Most people today neglect punctuality. Punctuality is a must for anyone who wants to save his time. A punctual man not only saves his own time, he saves the time of the others as well. Efficiency is another powerful time saver. Efficiency means not speed. An efficient man achieves some tasks within a short period of time. Sri Lanka is still a developing country. Time is a very important factor to us. If all of us try our best to save our individual time to some extent, it will be a great contribution uh, towards the development of the country too. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Buddha, very good. Next chance goes to Situki. Buddha, you can start with Situki.
Our nation. It is not educated for a person to have material needs such as food, clothing, and shelter to lead a perfect life. Mental and spiritual development is also a must to any sane human being. Thus, the minds and spirit of a nation should be fed and nourished in order to achieve perfect development of a country. Thought and feeling that come out of the mind and spirit of writers and artists can be considered as the vitamin for a morally sustained nation. Most people today get themselves exhausted by earning money with no limit. They do not seem to have realized that money is only an external factor which becomes useful only as regards our material life. Artists are a kind of people who have fully released the hidden truth. These also begin considered poor men in terms of money. They suppress the other in their spiritual wealth. Spiritual wealth is not something one can buy for money. It is something that a person should achieve through strenuous effort to have a broad view of real life. When a man becomes an artist, he seems to forget all his selfish desires. Then he tends to care something not just for himself but for the benefit of the wild society. He can now be compared to a well of pure water which quenches everyone's thirst. The more you draw water from it, the more it gets filled. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Buddha, welcome. Matisha, you can have your chance, Buddha. Next is Specially. After Matisha.
Jack is sick. Jack is sick and in bed. His mother sent for the doctor. Well, Jack sent the doctor that go you don't in bed. I do not like bring in bed. Sent Jack, but I am sick. No boy likes to be in bed. send the doctor, but the rash will go and you may get up. I must tell you, mother, to go you fish and milk. I do not like fish, but I like milk. Send Jack. I shall be back to see you by and by. I must see what I can to do. You get you well and have to go to school. Send the doctor. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Putha, next chance goes to Pesili. Very good day, everyone. Pesili, you can start.
Please wait.
Pesili, you can start with that.
Okay, sir. Please wait.
Okay. I thought you were shouting. Mangita oya hugi hogi like what?
Sir. No, sir. My father's phone is. Oh. World Environment Day. World Environment Day on 5th June every year. People from more than 100 countries celebrate this day. Furthermore, the World Environment Day is run by the United Nations Environment Programme since the year 1973. Above all, the main purpose of celebrating this day was to spread awareness. The awareness was about the conversion of our environment. Moreover, to all also take various preventive measures measures to avert the effects of global warming. Since we all know that global warming is the root cause of the ruin of our environment. Therefore, it is our duty to protect our environment and stop all the ex- stop all the explosion that is destroying it, because in the end it is our uh, basic need for our uh, survival and
Survival.
our survival and
Survival.
our
Okay, survival.
survival and our generation achieved. Thank you, sir.
Putha, very good. Next chance goes to Menadi Johansa. Menadi, you can start with that.
Flying kites is a popular pastime in our country. There are kites of different shapes, colors, and sizes. Cobra and peacock shaped kites are most popular among children. August is the best season for flying kites in Sri Lanka because it is dry and windy. Furthermore, most children have their school holidays in August. This gives them much time to fly kites and have fun. Making a kite is easy and inexpensive. Kites can be made using the material of coconut leaflets or bamboo sticks, tissue papers, cotton twine, and glue. It is believed that the first kite was made in China. In the past, kites were used in war to send signals to their troops. Even today, the Chinese consider the kite as a symbol of good fortune. Kites are flown in open areas like paddy field
circus and large fields. They are flown by young children and adults alike because it is an entertaining recreational activity. Flying kites is enjoyable not only to those who are flying them but also to the spectators. The International Kite Festival and other competitions are held in Sri Lanka annually. One such competition was held at the Duriyappa Stadium in Jaffna in 24. One of the highlights of this event was the awarding of a special prize to a 94-year-old participant for taking part in this competition.
Okay, Buddha, very good. Next chance goes really good. I think first time, but really good. Next chance goes to Vimasha. You can start with the Vimasha. පුතේ මට පොඩි දෙයක් තියෙනවා ටක් ගාලා කියන්න ඕනි. පුතේ there is someone to meet me. මා පොඩ හම්බෙන්න කෙනෙක් ඇවිල්ලා මිස් නැති නිසා මට යන්න වෙනවා පොඩ්ඩක් මීට් එකකට. විමාශා ෆිනිෂ් කරපුවාම කෙලිම නිලංක ස්ටාර්ට් කරන්න. නිලංක ෆිනිෂ් එකම මිහින් ස්ටාර්ට් කරන්න. back to back යන්න මේ රීඩින් ටික. මම 7:30 වලට කලින් මෙතුජර chance එකක් මෙතුජ අනිවාර්යෙන් දෙනවා. Okay. විමාශා you can start පුතා. විමාශා
Yes, sir. Fruits and vegetables, grain and pulses come under the category of good food serves. People should develop good eating habits by consuming healthy foods and stay away from junk food. Vitamin elements that keep our teeth and bones against diseases. Before buying any food, first ensure food quality.
Pilgrim Airlines Flight 14528 to Boston was ready for boarding at Broughton, New London Airport on a damp Sunday afternoon in Friday. Lane Hong, the 27 years old co-pilot, assisted fast change into the 18-seat Hewlett Twin Otter. Then he climbed in himself, secured the draw and made his way to the flight deck with Captain Doe. The Princeton 26 he went together the pre-flight checklist and radiated Queenstown, the Air Traffic Control Center, for clearance to Boston. Since joining Pilgrim 5 months earlier, Hong had hours as co-pilot in others.
A doctor is person who makes people feel better. That you have to work hard and pass difficult exams. Doctors in hospitals they see many sick people. They prescribe medicine to help people recover from their sicknesses and work very hard. My father and mother. I think a doctor's profession is one of the best professions.
අයියෝ ළමයි මං කිව්වා ඊළඟ කෙනා රීඩින් කරන්න කියලා එක්කෙනෙක් ෆිනිෂ් වුණාම. who is next? කවුද ඊළඟට? Who is next? ඊළඟ finish or not පුතා? I think ඊළඟ finished. Mihin, did you start? Mihin, hurry up. Mihin. Okay, Mihin is not the ID. ළමයි මිහින් නැත්නම් ඊළඟ කෙනා පටන් ගන්න එපයි. පුතේ මේ මෙතුජට ක්ලාස් එකක් තියෙනවා. ඒ නිසා මම මිහින් නැති නිසා මිහින් රුයිරු දෙන්නම නැහැ නේද? both are not here no. Let me easy talk පුතේ මෙතුජට පොඩ්ඩක් මිනිත් එකක් දීලින්නම්.
කමක් නැහැ සර්.
Okay පුතා. Okay මෙතුජ you can finish. මෙතුජ Metuja, are you there?
My best friend. My best friend is Amali. She is fair and tall. My class. She is 10 years old. Her favorite subject is maths. She helps me to do my class work. She loves to eat. She has a younger sister
He was a doctor. I like my friend very much.
Okay, next chance goes to Netmi. You can start with that.
My career choice fashion designer. In life, I want to become a fashion designer. My goals are to create clothing that is for all sizes, ages, and genders. In my clothing, I want show a creative side of my art ability, and I want to make my clothing affordable for all as well. I think I influence myself to waiting to become a fashion designer because I have a passion for art and waiting to become a fashion designer. I enjoy making sketches of clothing that one day will hopefully be available in stores all over. Fashion designing, in my opinion, is way to express the unique side of creative also fashion designing. I show different ways to wear an outfit or what piece of apparel can go with another piece of apparel. Uh, it is the magazine that is like a guide to fashion design around the country. Thank you, sir.
Okay, with that, very good. Next chance goes to Dihansa.
Science and Science and technology are important part of our day-to-day life. We get up in the morning from the ringing of our alarm clocks and go to bed at night after switching our lights off. All these learneries that we are able to afford, we are result of science technology. Most importantly, how we can do all this in a short time are because of the advancement of science and technology only. It is hard of imagine our life now without science and technology. Indeed, our existence itself depends on it now. Every day, new technologies are coming up, which are making human life easier and more comfortable. Thank you, sir.
Okay, with that, very good. Next chance goes to who is next? Dihansa. Dihansa finished, no?
Yes.
Sanduni. Dihansa, very good, Buddha.
Okay,
Protect
sir.
our
Can I have a leave because I have now class, sir.
Okay, Buddha, sure. You can leave, Buddha. Sure, sure.
Okay, thank you, sir. Good night.
Welcome, good night. And Sanduni, you can start, Buddha.
Protect our environment. Environment is a valuable gift of Mother Nature. Environment means everything's around us. They are mainly land, water, and air. Not only them, but also animals, forests, mountains, waterfalls, rivers, and vegetation are part of the environment. Human beings also are part of it. So, without any part of the environment, human beings cannot survive. So, we must protect it. We should not destroy trees, plants, animals, and all natural resources. As well, should not throw garbage all over. People use things just once and throw them away. This produces a lot of waste that makes our mother nature sick. So as human beings, we should practice to recycle things and use them again. That serve trees, energy and environment. We must understand the value of the environment. We must take steps to minimize environment pollution. It is our duty to protect our surrounding. Thank you.
Okay, Buddha, very good. Next chance goes to Thedara.
The foolish farmer. Once there was a foolish farmer in a village. His name was Bola. He grew cotton his, in his fields and sold it in the market. One day he brought a big bundle of cotton to the market, but no one brought it. Everyone looked at the cotton and said, "It is dirty." Bola was very sad, and he returned to his village in the evening. On his way back to the village,
Bola saw a goldsmith in his shop. He was blowing the fire. Bola went to him and asked, "What are you doing?" The goldsmith replied, "Don't you see? I am blowing the fire. I will put this dirty gold into the fire. The fire will burn the dirty and the gold will become clean. It will shine then." Bola was pleased. He left the goldsmith's shop and ran to his house with the bundle of cotton on his head. He made a fire and put his cotton in it. The fire burned the cotton to ash. That was end. That was the end of Bola's foolish hopes. Thank you.
Okay, Buddha. Very good. It's a beautiful story. Anyway, next chance goes to Januki. මේකේ name එක නැති කවුරුහරි message එකක් දාන්න කිව්වා කවුරුත් දැම්මල ඉඳන් මම ගණන් ගත්තේ නැහැ. ඉතින් එහාට මම continue කරනවා. Okay, Januki, you can start with that.
You can start with that. Nelly is a nurse. She is tall and thin. She works at the hospital. She looks after sick people. She gets up at 6 o'clock in the morning. She takes a shower and puts on her clothes. Then she eats a breakfast at 6:30. At 7 o'clock, she drives her car to the hospital. Nelly starts work at 8 o'clock. She cleans the room in the hospital. Then she hears the doctors. At 12 o'clock, she takes her lunch. She goes home at 5 o'clock.
Okay, Buddha. Januki finished? Januki finished?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Buddha. Very good. Next chance goes to Teshan. You can start with that, Teshan.
Okay, sir. Today, I would like to share with you all that my dream is to become a pilot. All of us dream of becoming famous when we grow up. My dream is to become a pilot. One day, I want to fly a big aeroplane. I wish could sit inside it and full high up in the sky. I'm ready to study and work hard to fulfill my dream of flying the high among the stars. I would like my mother and father to be the first one to fly with me. Then I fulfill my dream and I become a pilot. I love to travel and explore the world. Thank you.
Very good, Buddha. Next chance goes to Apsara. Very good, Buddha.
I study hard to achieve my goal. I have important areas really important to achieve my goal. Also, I have focused on important tasks and complete them. I take a step-by-step approach and divide a big task into a set of more manageable duties. This assures the project will be much easier to handle. And I make a calendar of activities, so it can remind me the activities of the day. I do hard work to achieve my dream, and I hope my dream will come true. Thank you.
Okay, Buddha. Very good. Next chance goes to Mithujot. Finish no Gagana.
Mother, boys, it's tea time. Ram, okay, mother, give us 5 minutes. It's the last over. Other, come soon, children. Other wish the vidai will get cold. Sanata, vadai,
Vade.
I love them.
Vade. That is Vade.
Vade, I love them. But we buy it from a cafe. Does auntie make them at home? Sam, yes, she makes the best vade
In the world.
in the world. Don't you, mother? Mother, aha. If you say so. Wash your hands and come in. Santa. They are very tasty, auntie. Thanks you very much, mother. You are welcome, Ram. Now that we had our tea, shall we play the game? Santa, what do you have in mind? Siam. Usually when we get together, we play chess, carom, ludo, and we also solve riddles. Santa.
Riddles.
That sounds wonderful, Ram. I have a collecting of riddles. We can solve them now. Mother, will you join us? Mother, no son, I can't. I have a prepared lunch. Sam, watch for lunch, mother. What's for lunch, mother? Mother, well, since we have a guest today, I thought of making puri with potato and dosai with sambar.
Dose means dose.
Dosai with sambar, and we have payasam for dessert.
Okay, something went wrong. I got it. Okay, now next chance goes to, give me a second to find the name list. Where was that? Okay, next chance goes to, give me a second, I'll see the names and remember. Can you remember who was next? Okay, I have this, sorry. It was Gagana, then next chance goes to Kavisha. Kavisha, you can start with that. Kavisha, are you there? You can start, Kavisha. Kavisha, you can start with that. Kavisha. Kavisha Situm. Yes, Kavisha Situm. You can start with that. Second round ready cut to home names done. Kavisha, you can start.
Language is important because it one of the main ways to communicate and interact with other people around us. It keeps us in contact with other people. English language is an example for the importance of the language because it is the international language and has become the most important language to people.
Okay with that. Next chance goes to Guvani. Second round ready cut in speech dialogue on the takala messages. Okay, Guvani, you can start with that.
Dust if you must, but wouldn't it be better to paint a picture or write a letter, bake a cake or plant a seed? Ponder the difference between want and need. Dust if you must, but there's not much time. With rivers to swim and mountains to climb, music to hear and books to read, friends to cherish and life to lead. Dust if you must, but the world's out there. With the sun in your eyes, the wind in your hair, a flutters of snows, a showers of rain. This day will not come around again. Dust if you must, but bear in mind. Old age will come and it's not kind, and when you go and go you must, yourself will make more dust. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Bita, very good. Next chance goes to Dehami.
Library. There is a library in my town. There are a lot of books, magazines, and newspapers. Many people and students come to the library daily. They read books and borrow books. Many children come to the children's selection to read fictions. We must sit and read silently in the library. We should get membership to borrow books neatly and return them in time. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Bita, very good. Next chance goes to Anudhi. You can start with Anudhi.
I am your home. I am the only plant in our solar system with leaf and liquid water. People, animals, and plants are my children. I have mountains, wells, forests, rivers, and many other places for all of you. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Bita, okay. Of the second round, first chance goes to Luthira. You can start with that. Luthira, පුතේ. පුතේ ලිතුම් very sorry පුතේ. ඔයා second Luthira තමයි first හොඳේ. ලිතුම්.
Okay, sir.
මොකද මට message එකක් දාලා දුන්න ලිතුම් හොඳේ. මේ Luthira කලින්ම. You can start with that Luthira.
Sorry sir, මට කලින් හෙවුන්නේ.
Okay, start with that.
Good evening everyone. Today I am going to tell a role play. Amaya and Manuka are at the zoo with their parents. Amaya, mother, I like to see the birds. Father, Amaya, first we will see the fish. We are following the map. Amaya, all right father, where are the fish? Manuka, now we are at the entrance. Fish are in the first block. Mother, here is first block. This is in aquarium. It's dark here. Amaya, hold my hand. Amaya, mother, these fish are very nice. What are they called? Father, let's see the boat there. Oh, they are clownfish. They live in Indian and Pacific Oceans. There are arapaima fish in the next tank. Amaya, they are very big, brother. There are a lot of fish here. Did we miss any? Manuka, no, we didn't. The birds are in the third, fourth, and fifth block. Let's go there. Amaya, wonderful. I love birds. Let's go there soon. Manuka, sister, those are macaws. They are very colorful. Amaya, they are creaking. Look at the pheasants. I love them a lot. Father, where are the monkeys? Are they in the next block? Father, no son. They are in the 15th block. The next block is for butterflies. Amaya, I'm a bit tired. Mother, can I wash my face? Mother, all right. There's a tap over there. Let's go. Father, let's sit on the bench. Manuka, we will wait for them. Amaya, all right, father. We'll be back soon. Thanks, Amaya says finished.
Okay, that very good. Okay, next chance goes to Litum.
Okay, sir. Sumudu, Harini, I get up at 5 o'clock. At what time do you get up? Harini, I get up at 4:45 a.m. and my mother gets up at 4:30 a.m. I help my mother to make tea. Sumudu, my mother gets up at 4 o'clock. She makes tea and wakes me up. My sister and I help her to cook. We too help our mother to cook. I peel onions and my father scrape coconuts. Sumudu, I worship Lord Buddha and then study for some time. Harini, we offer flowers to God, Ganesh and pray. Sumudu, our school bus comes at 6:30 a.m. So I get ready and have my breakfast. My sister and I worship our parents and leave home. Harini, I walk to school with my mother and brother. We too worship our parents. Thank you, sir.
Okay, brother. Okay, then do you want to do another essay or we are going to move? Another speech or another dialogue or anything or we are going to stop what? Okay, if no one is ready and if no one needs a chance, then I'm going to stop for today.
I'm ready.
Okay, start then.
Water. I am the star at the center of your solar system. Your plant, Earth revolves around me. I give you light, heat, and energy. I help plants to grow. I also help plants and produce food. I am your friend, the sun. I am all around you. I contain oxygen. All living things need oxygen to breathe. I also help plants to produce food. When I move fast, you call me the wind, the earth. I come down to the earth as rain and fill rivers, and oceans. I quench your thirst. You need me for cooking, bathing, and washing. I also help plants to grow. Air. We give you oxygen to breathe. We produce you. We produce food for you. We give you shade. You make clothes, medicine, timber, and many other things using us. We also make your world beautiful. Plants. I'm your home. I'm the only plant in our solar system with life and liquid water. People, animals, and plants are my children. I have mountains, valleys, forests, rivers, deserts, and many other places for all of you. Thanks, my essay is finished.
Okay, brother. Litum, do you want a second chance? Litum, do you want a second chance, brother?
Okay, sir. Sir, ma'am, another.
Okay, brother.
We give you oxygen to breathe. We produce food for you. We give you shade. You make clothes, medicine, timber, and many other things using us. We also make your world beautiful. Thank you, sir.
Okay, what about Lutir? You want another chance?
The chance at the
Sure, start.
My father's tree house. My father has a tree house in his tenant. It is on a big tree. He made it with wooden planks. He has a straw roof. He uses a rope ladder to climb onto the tree house. He spends many sleepless nights in it to keep away the wild animals. There is a clay pot, an old lantern, and a reed mat in it. Every Friday and Saturday night I go to the tree house with my father. We take the delicious food made by my mother with us. I love to watch the bright red sky in the evening from the tree house. Thanks, sir. My essay is finished.
Advita. Then what about Litum? Do you want a chance, Litum?
Okay, sir. I am the star at the center of your solar system. Your planet Earth revolves around me. I give you light, heat, and energy. I help plants to grow. I also help plants produce food. I am your friend. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Then what about stopping O?
Sir, mantau chance ada
Okay.
I am Patum. My class is grade 6E. There are 30 children in my class. The classroom is not big. It is beautiful. The walls are pink. There are lots of colorful pictures and charts. There are big black blackboard and teacher's table. The desks are yellow in color and there is a steel cupboard in the corner of the room. There is a wooden desk to keep books. The desk is next to the cupboard. There is no, excuse me, sir.
Yes,
C
Vita.
E C E I
Ceiling.
L.
Ceiling fan. There's no ceiling fan.
There is no ceiling fan, but there are two big windows. Thanks, sir.
Okay, Buddha. Another chance. Is needed or not? Right, then let's stop for today. Everyone, good night. Bye. See you next day.
Good night, sir. Thanks for teaching me. Bye, sir.
Welcome. Okay, bye.